This video is going to show you how to make easy taco casserole. First, we have 3 pounds of ground hamburger that we're browning in a pan on medium heat. Then you need either a big bag or about 10 little bags of Doritos, a pack of taco seasoning. This is a pack of cheese sauce and some Mexican style cheese, or you can use taco cheese or any other kind of cheese that you like, but this already has the taco seasoning in it. Once we get our hamburger browned, then we'll put the taco seasoning in. You also need a casserole pan, and we're going to preheat the oven on 350. And once this gets all nice and brown, we're going to add our taco seasoning to it. And I'll show you how to layer it in the casserole pan. And then we'll bake it for about 30 minutes till it's heated clear through. Then it'll be ready to eat. This is just an easy supper idea, a one-pan supper. Once the hamburger is browned, then we'll add our taco seasoning in. Mix that in with the meat. So it's all nice and mixed in there. We can turn our heat off now. Now, in our casserole, I put 4 little bags of Doritos, corn chips. You can use corn chips or nacho cheese chips, either one. You can use nacho cheese chips or just regular corn chips, doesn't matter. Or taco shells, break them up, put them in there. Once those are in there, and we're going to put our meat in. We're going to spread our meat around and just squirt it around the pan. Put it in. And we can take it, kind of move it around a little bit, spread it around. So it melts in. Okay, then we'll put our taco cheese in. Put a half a bag, which is about a cup of cheese on this layer. Okay. Then we're going to crunch up our Doritos, put on top. Crunch them up a little, spread them around. Then we put the rest of our cheese on top. Spread it around. And we're going to bake this on 350 degrees for about 25 minutes till it's heated all the way through, and it'll be ready to eat. Our taco casserole has just come out of the oven after 25 minutes. It's nice and cheese is melted, all nice and bubbly. If you listen closely, you can hear it. Just sizzling. Now all that's left is to dish it out and eat it. Hope you like this easy recipe for taco casserole. Like and subscribe to my channel. Till next time.